So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how to use filters in CapCut. Now, filters can be used for images, but you can also use filters for videos. I'm going to be showing you how you can use filters to enhance your video. All right. I'm going to be showing you how to partition your videos and add filters, multiple filters to your videos, depending on how you want it to be. All right. Very easy. You can use CapCut to do that. Let's go. All right. So we're going to go ahead to enhance our video. All right. It's not only image that can be enhanced. So what we need to do is to come over and click on you can either click on new, but we already have a video here, so there's no need to go over to new use. But let me just go to new so that I can bring in a very short video. I'll look for a very short video. Let me bring this in. All right, so here is our new video. Here is our video. Okay, I'll have to reduce the volume so that it will not be disturbing our recording. So what I want to do now, I'm going to come to filter, right? You scroll down and click on filters. I'm going to open up. Now we have multiple options here. All right. So these are filter, these are multiple options. So we can actually add filter to your videos, not only images. Okay. But now adding filter, in order for us to see the effect of the filter on multiple on the same video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back. I want to partition this video into different. So I'll click on this to remove. All right. I'll remove this CapCut logo. Click on delete to delete that. So I will just come here. I want to partition it at least every 4 seconds. This is 4 seconds. I will just click on it, then partition it from here. So I'm breaking the video down to every 4 seconds. Okay, 4 seconds, so that I'm going to add different filters to each of the partition. Now you know why I'm partitioning it. Any effect that I apply to this particular partition, these 4 seconds, will not apply to the rest. So we can easily know the difference. All right, so I'll just come here and give it another partition. Come here. So always make sure you do this. If you don't want the effect or anything, any editing you are doing to your video, you don't want it to be general. You should go around all your video. You need to come here and make sure you add partitions once you are done editing that particular video. So that particular effect or whatsoever you are applying to your video, make sure it doesn't exceed. So just come here. All right. So okay. Right now, partition all the videos. All right. So I'm going to go back and look for the filter. Yeah, here's the filter. Now this filter is going to be applied to the first. So we have I'll just pick them randomly. Pick this first one. So here I want to see the effect of this filter. All right, you can see that it didn't go beyond this partition. Okay. So I'll come to this. I'll click on this other one. I'll go back to filter. So let me use this other one. I will apply it. Now you can see the partition. It's just from here to here. It didn't go beyond it. So that's the usefulness of adding partition to your videos. Very important. Okay, so that your edit don't go around, affecting the video. So I'm just going to pick them around them. This is clear too. So I will say come here and click on the partition. Go back to our filter. This time I'm going to use this one. All right, so you are going to see the effect of what we are doing very soon. So I'm just go ahead and add everything. I'll add it to this one. Okay. All right, so you can see some effects. So whenever you are adding any effect to your designs, partition will help you to relegate that effect to a particular location. Okay, you don't need to go over to that particular place where you want to add effect and partition it so that it doesn't affect others. All right, so we're almost done here. I'll just go ahead and quickly add everything. Right, I'll come do it here also. Let's come here. All right, so this is the last one. I'll just add this up. Okay, now this is what I did. I just add different effects to each form. Now I added different filters to one particular video. You know, if you're adding filter to images, it's across board. So for video, you can actually decide where you want the filter to be applied. So now I'm going to go ahead and play this video. I'll play it so that you will see the effects. Now you can see that once you reach each partition, because I added different effect to it, it's going to show that particular partition, right? Now you'll see the difference. You'll see the difference. All right. So it all depends on what you want to do with your editing. You want the camera to be displaying. You want the video to be showing different, different features. All right. So it all depends. You can just decide to apply this filter to just one part. All right. So that part maybe you don't want that place to be blurry. You can actually apply the filters. All right. So there are different things we are going to be doing with partition. This partition will help you to actually, apply changes to a particular location in a video without affecting the rest of the video. All right. So